It is not commonly appreciated that 70% of the cost of a component is committed at the design stage itself. If any cost reduction program has to be comprehensive, the starting point has to be design itself. We will now examine some of the steps in the designing process and see how they contribute to increased cost of the component. First point is the chemical composition of the material of which the part has to be manufactured. In most cases, only mechanical properties of the material of the component are specified. The choice of the actual material composition is left to the designer. Instead of specifying expensive elements, the designer should examine if the required mechanical properties can be obtained by a cheaper combination of elements. Second vital step to examine is to see the various wall and section thicknesses at different points of the component which have been specified by the designer. Designers generally tend to specify wall and section thicknesses more than needed, thus increasing the weight of the component and thus the cost. Third point to examine is the surface finish and the tolerances specified by the designer. It may not really be necessary to shave off all those extra microns which would necessitate a run at an expensive machining center. Likewise, the tolerances on parallelity, concentricity and ovality should be doubly examined to prevent over-engineering. The fourth point to examine is the internal soundness specification of a component. Only those components which are in the line of high stress transmission deserve higher specifications of internal soundness. Unnecessarily specifying tomography will only unduly increase the cost of the component. The fifth point to examine is the prescription of a wasteful secondary processing on the components. The 7-tank painting process may not be required where a sealer dip paint may suffice, or a secondary heat treatment may be replaced by a single heat treatment if this essential purpose is served by it. These are just a few examples of how the cost of a component can be shaved even before the manufacturing has started. If you feel interested, we can discuss this further between 11 and 12 on any morning on a working day. Thank you. On 93346 15973. Thank you.